revenue operations. And I have proudly served in the military, and I'm honored to represent our Veterans Network. And on behalf of all our teams here today at Universal Orlando, we'd like to thank you for supporting Universal Orlando's 13th annual Veterans Day Parade. So today we come together to honor our veterans and commemorate the legacy of profound service and sacrifice that they have endured in maintaining our freedom. We welcome our guests that are visiting today that also have served with courage and bravery. As we offer our sincere appreciation and respect to our veterans, their families, those who are still in harm's way, and those we've laid to rest, let us rededicate ourselves to serving and honoring them. Our Veterans Network is focused on our team member, our applicants, and our guest experience. It is just one of 7 diversity and inclusion team member resource groups. And throughout the year, it creates dignified and patriotic programming to bring uniquely special, universal moments to life. We partner with many teams to help ensure we continue to employ hometown heroes that have bravely served in the military. Heroes work here. Team members that are active, in the reserves, retired, or military spouses all bring their talent and experience to work every day because we know courage is universal. Today we would like to acknowledge you, our guests and team members, along with a special visit from the Defense Equal Opportunity Management Institute focused on diversity and inclusion across our armed forces under the command of Colonel Amy Storm. Also with us is Congressional Gold Medal recipient, Sergeant Major Anabal Abatorio, Korean War veteran from the Army's 65th Infantry Regiment, to us better known as the Borinqueniers. Tomorrow, as we do each year, we'll honor the United States Marine Corps with a ceremonial color guard flag raising and patriotic cake cutting for our Universal Orlando team members and Veterans Network. We're especially proud to celebrate the 244th branch birthday of the Marine Corps. Happy birthday, Marines. And we thank all those that have served and are inspired by your courage in service to our country. So please join us now for our national anthem.
Reason.